Look how beautiful one of my roosters is, man. Y'all see that? That's a beautiful rooster. That's a beautiful rooster. Check on the other chickens. Check on the other chicken. Check on the other one. Hey man, I keep telling y'all, bruh. The only way y'all gonna have beautiful chickens like this is if y'all don't lock them up at night, bruh. You can't lock them up at night. If you lock them up at night, they gonna shit every 2 minutes and they gonna look disgusting. They gonna look nasty, bruh. And look, if your chickens look good, you know they taste good. Do y'all see that? You know they taste good, man. Look at them colors. Look at that coat. They ain't even dirty. Come on, bruh. This what I do, man. I keep telling y'all about that duck in that truck. But see, look, I'm going to tell y'all about another little story called Jack and Jill. Hey, man, if I tell y'all Jack and Jill went up that hill, you better assume I'm going to bite your goddamn ear like Mike and goddamn Holyfield. Buddy, I'm trying to tell you, look at them. Beautiful chickens. Rhode Island Reds, Light Brahmas, Golden Comets, Camel Bees, Spangled, some German word. Not even gonna try to pronounce it or enunciate it. Not even gonna do it. That's my favorite chicken right there. Look at her. That's that Camel Spangled Spunksenheimer. Something how you see it. Hey, it's a German word, no cap. But that's how I think they say it. And my rooster. Yes, I have 2 roosters together and no, they do not fight. I raised them together. But yo, I don't lock them up at night. They sleep on their roosting bars and they lay eggs and they laying nests. So this is how I keep my eggs clean. We are gonna build roll-away trays very soon, but right now we are getting pretty clean eggs, so ain't no need to build on the roll-away trays. You know, if it ain't broke, don't fix it.